guys, this is the finished product of the painting that I showed you in the last video. Doesn't it look so bomb? And if you look in the sleeve, she did like a little hidden M and a K.
Baby, show them.
It came out so good. And now look at Marge and Homer together. Dude, I cannot wait to hang them. Look at her. We literally just put some of our Halloween decorations up. Halloween / Thanksgiving. We put some leaves in the windows. Karina hung the ghost lights for me. And we have our little pumpkins. Sorry, the desk is a mess. Hey, hey, hey. You guys, we're gonna fuck it up.
What is it?
You guys, look at these fucking bags under my eyes.
I should know.
They Gucci. Look at my baby hairs. This bitch. Dude, they're growing though. Imagine if my hair was all this short. I plan on doing a couple of masks tonight, just relaxing. So I'm gonna start off with this Freeman anti-stress clay mask. You guys, this is my favorite mask from this brand. Give it a little focus. So it's the anti-stress Dead Sea Minerals clay mask. Oh wow, you guys, this whole time I thought I was recording. I made some fried rice earlier. Literally just the thought of it sitting in the fridge right now is making me hungry for it. It was so good. Fuck, my battery's about to die.
This is our plant, and we named him Neville after the character in Harry Potter.
Well, yeah, we did. Alright guys, so as Karina was saying, we just came back from the store. I'm going to show you guys what we got. We just picked up some snacks for later. Some crunchy curls and some spicy popcorn. And then we also got these. If you guys haven't tried these Oreo candy bars, they're the shit. So for the fried rice, we picked up some bean sprouts. We also picked up these, I don't know, they're either Brussels sprouts or cabbage sprouts, so whatever it is. I got that. This isn't gonna go in the fried rice, but I'm gonna do like a little bit of that sauteed with some onion. And we got some scallions.
Green onion.
Yeah, whatever you guys call them, green onions or scallions.
What do you guys call them?
True. And then the other ingredients I already had. So I made some white rice yesterday. That's just what's left over. I also have some frozen shrimp. And then I have some edamame that I'm gonna throw in there. Some soy sauce and teriyaki sauce. I don't know, I'm just gonna put the teriyaki sauce on top, to be honest. It doesn't really go into the recipe. And then I have some onion. This is just, again, for the cabbage. And then some eggs. I'll probably put like 2 or 3 eggs in the fried rice.
So, while Maria cooks, your girl's playing Mario Kart. And I'm one of those people who has to like get like first place before I pass anything.
She's a freak about it, you guys.
Here's my little guy that I'm gonna use.
So I got these frozen shrimp. I'm just putting them in cold water so they can defrost. Usually I like to get the raw ones. These are already cooked, but it's fine because you're just gonna cook them a little bit to get them seared to add into the rice. Just make sure you're taking the tails off once they defrost. Now that all of my stuff is chopped up, I'm gonna work on the shrimp, and I'm just gonna take the tails off. I just have to strain them from there. I'm trying to dry off the shrimp before I go ahead and cook them. So you're just gonna take a little bit of oil. I'm just gonna leave them like that so you can tell that they're still raw. We're gonna continue cooking them in a little bit.
One just fell out of my mouth and I got it on film.
Burner, and we're gonna go ahead and cook the shrimp really quick. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm also going in with some pepper. And then I am gonna add the red pepper flakes. And it's just however much you want, you guys. And then I'll show you guys the next step once these are done. So I just want to set them aside just so they don't cook more than what they have to. And I ended up putting a tiny bit of Cajun seasoning onto the shrimp as well. Okay, maybe if you want just another drop. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my rice. And you guys, I'm using second day rice because it's a little bit drier than when you make it the first day. The first day rice is gonna be a little bit more moist, and it won't, you won't get it to fry as good as second day. You wanna make sure you keep it moving so that nothing burns. I'm gonna go ahead and add some soy sauce to this rice now. Also gonna add the egg back in, some of the green scallions, and then some bean sprouts. Guys, I forgot one more sauce that you're supposed to add. Some dark soy sauce. I'm just gonna add a splash of this one as well. That one's just a little bit stronger than the other soy sauce that I was using. I'm just gonna leave this on a little bit longer before I add the shrimp. So I'm also gonna add in those edamames that we had. You're gonna wanna incorporate that. And when you keep adding ingredients, feel free to add a little bit more soy sauce. I'll go ahead and add my shrimp now. Add the soy sauce little by little, just so you guys don't overpower it all at once. Because you never know, you might like it with a little bit less soy sauce than I do. I like my rice, I wouldn't say salty, but I just like it to have a lot of that flavor. Yay! How do you think it looks, you guys? I guarantee you it tastes just like fried rice that you get for takeout. The only thing is that you can customize it however you want to cook it. So I have the cabbage, some green bell pepper, and then some onion. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to the wok, and I'm gonna saute that together. So I am gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, so some salt, some pepper, and I think I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of teriyaki sauce to this. Okay guys, this is the finished meal. Dude, that shit's gonna be so bomb. I already tried it. It's really good. And then here is that cabbage, onion, and bell pepper that I cooked up on the side. I ended up sprinkling some teriyaki sauce as well. Yeah, I can't wait.
She forgot to mention there's a snack right across this table too.
Do the Mo Money fetish bite.
Bomb.
You guys, she did not do it justice. You guys, it is so good.